there, I'm Nate with Sashco, and today I want to talk to you about CleanSeal. CleanSeal, like all of our products, is formulated to move, right? So that when you get in the bathtub and there's some pressure there, you're not going to have any problems. It's not going to crack on you. It's also designed to be an anti-mold product. I imagine most of us have probably seen a kitchen or a bathroom where there was caulking with mold growing on it. And it was probably claimed to be anti-mold. But CleanSeal is a little bit different in how it prevents mold. You know, traditionally when you've got mold growing on a surface, it's because there's food for that mold on the surface. The oils from our body get on, the caulking in the shower, and that's what the mold is growing on. CleanSeal actually has enzymes in it that break down those oils, so there's no food for the mold to grow on. So you should give this a try the next time you're doing a kitchen or a bathroom. To learn more about CleanSeal, go to Sashco.com.